Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. Today we'll be showing you how to save your video in your Messenger Lite. So without any further ado, let's get on right to the video. First, you need to go to your Messenger Lite application and go to the message where you have received the video message. As you can see, my friend has sent me a message, the video message, and now I will be clicking on the video. And once I've clicked on the video, on the top right corner I can see 3 dots. I'm going to click on these dots and I'll see 2 options. One is to forward and second is to save to device, and I'll have to click on the save to device option. And your video is saved to the folder in your phone, and this is exactly how you can save video in Messenger Lite. This is super easy and quick. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe and comment down what you want to see next. This is all for now. See you in the next video.